Good morning, student. I am your economics teacher Gauri Sharma. Macroeconomics. Children, this is your chapter number 1 in macroeconomics. As you know, in the previous classes, we studied about the macroeconomics. It is a branch of economics that studies the behavior and performance of an economy as a whole. It focuses on the aggregate change in the economy, such as unemployment, growth rate, gross domestic product, and inflation. But, children, in this chapter, we studied about the circular flow of income. Children, as you know, the human wants are unlimited, and these unlimited wants of human beings made the production process, and the firm makes payment to the factor of production in the form of rent, wages, and interest, and the household sectors spend the money on the purchase of that goods and services produced by the firm. In this way, children, the income generate. And in this chapter, we studied the circular flow of income. Children, this is the diagram showing the circular flow of income. There are 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. In phase firm produces goods and services with the help of factor services. In the second phase, distribution is done, and in the third phase, expenditure, it is called the expenditure phase. Income generated in production units reaches back to the production unit again. This makes the complete circular flow of income. Here, the stock and the flow. The stock means a supply of something for the sale, or the total amounts of goods, or the amount of particular type of goods available in the shop. It is called a stock. Here, the stock variable refers to that variable which is measured at a particular point of time. Children, here I have many examples of stock. Like, if we have the go down and we have 100 quintals of wheat, then we can say that we have the 100 quintal of stock. And flow means a steady or continuous movement of something. Example, the flow of a river or the flow of a blood. Here, I can show you the diagram of a stock or the flow. Here it is a tank of water, and if water is stored in the tank, it is called a stock. This one, stock. And when water comes out from the tank, it is called a flow of water. So children, here are the examples of stock and flow, and the difference between stock and flow are written here. Flow is a dynamic concept, as I told you, and stock is a static concept. Flow is measured over a period of time, and stock is measured at a particular of time. So children, these are the difference between stock and flow. Now again, the circular flow is classified in 2 heads: real flow and second one is money flow. Real flow is also called a physical flow, and money flow is also called a nominal flow. It is called a nominal flow because this relates to the flow of income. And in the real flow, real goods and services are exchanged or flowed. It is a flow in which factor services from household to firm, and the corresponding flow of goods and services from firms to household. So it is called a real flow because in this type of flow, goods and services are exchanged. Likewise, it had be exchanged in barter system. And in the money flow, here the income flows from the firms to the household, then again from the household to the firm. I can show you the difference between real flow and money flow. As I told you children, real flow is also known as physical flow, and money flow is also known as a nominal flow. Money flow involves exchange of money, and in real flow it involves exchange of goods and services. Children, in real flow, the real value, the real goods and services are exchanged, then only it is called a real flow. There may be difficulties in barter system in exchange of goods and factor services, but in case of money flow there is no such type of difficulty occur. So children, this is all your real flow and money flow, and the difference between stock and flow, and here the definition of stock and flow are written. So children, first is completed circular flow of income. Now children, I will give you the notes of this chapter in my next video. Thank you.